Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. We all use technology, or we all want to learn new technologies, what is there in the market, in order to work in good companies, on good profiles, on good projects, and lots more. We need technology. We need to be well versed with technology. And directly or indirectly, it has changed our lives. Everybody's life, whether you're working or not, doesn't matter. Technology has changed our lives, right? Directly or indirectly. So that is why we need to know about certain vocabularies, words related to technology, which are very basic, very general, and very common and daily used in our conversations. So in this video, I am going to talk about all the basic terms related to technology, which we all should know. And I'll come up with sentences with those vocabularies so that you can also start speaking about it, coming up or constructing new sentences with those words. And the last part I'm going to talk about on any topic related to technology, like why technology is important nowadays, right? Or how it helps us. Okay, and this is a very interesting topic, guys. Stay with me. On that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession. And I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. So let's begin now. The first word we need to know about technology is technology itself. What technology means? It's a very vast term. Let's see what it means. The application of scientific discoveries for practical application, especially in industries. So there's a technology behind all the appliances which we have at home. We have a mixer, grinder, we have a fridge, we have a television, we have a microwave, washing machine, and whatnot. They also work on technology, right? They also use some technology to build that machine, right? A washing machine or a mixer grinder or an oven or a microwave is a product, right? Product in which the technology has been applied to build that product. So that is what technology is. It's not only related to computers or engineering or working in an IT sector. It's not related to that only. Manufacturing, pharmacy, everywhere technology is used to come up with new products. Okay, the newest technology in the market is AI. The newest technology in the market is AI, which is artificial intelligence, right? Okay, next, innovation. This is also a word which is related to technology. What is an innovation? The development and use of a new idea or method is called innovation. If we have invented something new, if we have come up with something new, some new development, some new ideas, that is called innovation. So we have always heard about innovation in different sectors, right? We work in industries, we work in companies, and companies do come up with, we are innovating something. We want to innovate something. So every company, every sector wants to come up with some new ideas and some new product or technology. Our agriculture sector needs a lot of innovation. Our agricultural sector needs a lot of innovation. Okay, new ideas, new methods should be introduced to our agriculture, to our agricultural sector. Another word is development or to develop. Development means the process of coming up with something or developing something. And to develop means to change into a stronger or more advanced form, or to come up with a new form or advanced form or a better form of whatever is existing, which is it's called develop, to develop, or the process is called development. Okay, the AIs are still in the development phase. The AIs are still in the development phase. Okay, software. The programs and other operating informations used by a computer or a device is called a software. So we have a software in our phone, we have a software in our computer, laptop, etc. Okay, through which it runs, right? It opens and things comes up. We can work on that, right? Those are softwares which are internal, which are a series of codes or programs which is used to run a device. I need a new antivirus software in my machine. I need a new antivirus software in my machine. Okay, hardware, the physical parts of a computer or a related device. Mobile hardware or computer or laptop or any device hardware, like the parts of the machine or a device. The physical parts of a machine or a device is called a hardware which can be replaced. Okay, to crash, to stop suddenly. Our mobile crashes, our computer system, our laptops crashes. That is to crash. Okay, to stop working suddenly. My laptop crashed in the middle of the session. My laptop crashed in the middle of the session. To browse, to look for and look at information on the internet is called browsing. What we do, we browse the internet. We find information related to different topics, subjects or stuffs on internet. That is called browsing. Okay, whenever I am stuck, I always browse the internet to get the answers. Whenever I'm stuck, I browse the internet to get the answers. Device, a thing made or adapted for a particular purpose, right? Especially a piece of mechanical or electronic equipment. Mobile is a device which can be used for multiple purposes. A mobile is a device which can be used for multiple purposes, or a mobile is a device with multiple usage. Okay, gadget. What is a gadget? A small mechanical or electronic device or tool. So it's a device or a tool which is also small, which is basically for fun or which is useful for certain things. For example, I need a gadget to attach to my camera, or I need a gadget to attach to my PlayStation. Okay, which comes up with additional features we can add to the feature of your existing device. Okay, so guys, these are very basic fundamental vocabularies related to technology. Now, technology is very vast. We have terms related to computer, terms related to electronic devices, terms related to a lot of other things, AI, etc., etc. So I can't cover everything in the same session. I'll take up other sessions also for other topics as well. But these words are majorly related to technology. When you're speaking about technology, you can take help from these words to speak about it more clearly, more efficiently, and more effortlessly, or effectively rather. Okay, now coming to the third section, I'm going to take up this topic, why technology is so important, and I'm going to speak on it. We all live in the age of technology. The lots of innovation and developments in recent years in the field of technology. We use a lot of devices, we use a lot of gadgets, we use a lot of appliances which work on technology. It's not only about working in an IT sector or working on computers, you are related to technology. Rather, we use technology every single day. We travel by car or any other means of transport. We use washing machine, we use mixer grinder, we use microwave ovens, we use other electronic devices which are based on technology, right? We use technology every single day. And I feel it's very important for us to get familiar with AIs. We can use AIs to help us solve our problems. We can learn English from them, we can learn coding from them, we can learn a lot of things from these AIs. They're so helpful. ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini, Copilot, lots of AIs available on our devices, right? We should start using these technologies to keep ourselves updated, and it can help us with a lot of new learnings and new information. So guys, this is how I spoke about technology, how it is useful for us and how it helps us, or how it is helping us. You can also take up any topic related to technology and you can just start speaking about it. You can take up any of your favorite topics. You can take a device which you're interested in. If you are learning AI, you can take up AI. If you want to speak about your mobile, your PlayStation, any gaming app, anything related to technology, you can pick up any topic and you can start speaking on it, right, in this way. So guys, I'm sure this is going to help you a lot to understand technology better and to start speaking about it. You can start making sentences related to the vocabulary I've spoken, and you can use those vocabularies in your own sentences in describing anything about technology. So these are very basic general conversational topics which comes up in every conversation. We do talk about AIs, we do talk about any electronic gadget, any new innovation which has happened in IT or any other field, right? We do talk about it. So start learning these vocabularies, start using it in your own sentences and start speaking about it. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.